Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now by gathering the essentials: a 16 GB or larger USB and a verified Windows 11 ISO. Use Rufus or Microsoft Media Creation tool on a working Windows PC. Once the ISO is downloaded, make sure the USB contains no needed files because you will reformat it. Open Rufus, select the target USB, then point to the Windows 11 ISO. Choose GPT for UEFI systems or MBR for legacy. This choice determines boot compatibility. Begin image writing and watch progress until the write completes. Once Rufus shows the ISO loaded, you must pick the correct partition scheme and file system. Choose GPT for UEFI machines and MBR for older BIOS. Make sure to enable the recommended cluster size and leave the volume label descriptive. If Rufus offers ISO versus DD mode, use ISO for standard installs and DD for problematic images. DD writes a raw image. Click Start, confirm destructive warning, and let the tool create the boot volume. When it finishes, safely eject the USB and verify files are present. You now insert the USB into the target PC and enter its boot menu or UEFI settings. Choose the USB device to boot. Follow the Windows 11 installer prompts. Pick Custom Install to select the target drive, create or format partitions as needed, and proceed. Once installation finishes, remove the USB and let the PC reboot to its new system. If the USB won't boot, make sure Secure Boot Settings, match the image and retry with the alternate partition scheme, or recreate the media using DD mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.